So guys, how to make kitchen renovation go smoothly. Number one, of course, you need to interview a lot of contractors or remodelers that you want to work with. Make sure that they're reputable, make sure they have a lot of references, before and after pictures, answer all the questions. That's just basic. Number two, you need to make sure that everything is in writing and they provide you a design, layout, and rendering of all the details that you guys talked about. Kitchen renovation, you need to make sure the rendering and design is exactly what you're looking for, because majority of the cost is on cabinets. Cabinets, design, and layout. One cabinet can cost you $10,000. Other cabinets can cost you $50,000, okay? Depending on the brand, depending on the style, colors. Make sure all that is detailed. Customer and the contractor doesn't have any questions. You guys are going by the drawings and the actual design. In construction, blueprint, rendering, design, that is like a Bible.
We shouldn't say the Bible, right? That's good.
Sometimes when you hire a contractor just by writing saying that, hey, I can renovate your kitchen for, let's just say $20,000. Let's say you really liked it, the contractor, they had a good reviews, they showed you some pictures, and they actually came up with the proposal that you like. Let's just say it was $20,000 for kitchen renovation. Everything was in writing saying they're gonna install existing kitchen layout, but it was just on paper, no design and no layout. If that's the case, how you as a homeowner are gonna know how it's gonna look, what kind of cabinets they're gonna design? Is it gonna have like one drawer cabinets? Is it gonna be 3 drawers? Is it gonna have any trash bins? It's almost impossible to put all the details on paper. And as a homeowner, you might not even understand type of the wording that they use. So it is critical that for kitchen renovation, make sure you have a good floor plan, get a good design, and make sure you have the rendering that shows exactly how it's gonna look before and after. Average kitchen renovation, you're looking at approximately anywhere from $40,000 to $60,000. When we say typical kitchen, it's basically pretty much taking all the cabinets out, redoing the floors there, painting, doing some minor light, electrical work, putting in some recessed lighting, new cabinets, new countertop, new backsplash, sink and a faucet without the appliances. Approximately you're looking at about $40,000 to $60,000. It can be a little bit less, but it can also go up even to upper $100,000. For example, for $40,000 kitchen renovation, we're looking at more of not relocating any major appliances, whereas we're not relocating major plumbing, kind of staying in a similar floor plan. But when you start relocating, knocking out walls, moving gas line, moving the ductwork for new hood locations. When you put a new hood, you might need a makeup air system. When you start doing a lot of the building modification, relocating a lot of electrical plumbing and mechanical work, then it can go up to $70,000 plus for kitchen renovation. And cheapest way to renovate kitchen as a homeowner is you acting as a general contractor, which means that you're hiring a crew to come and do the demo, and then you'll hire plumbing contractors separately to do all the plumbing work, hiring an electrician to come and do all the electrical work, hiring a mechanical company come and do all the mechanical work, and after that, doing all the inspections as a homeowner, hiring the drywall and painting guys that specialize in that field, and hiring a finished carpentry to come in and install the cabinets, and hiring a separate countertop guys to come in and install the countertop, installing the tile guys to come in and do the tile work. Is probably the best and less expensive way to renovate the kitchen. When you're hiring each trade, do I recommend it? Probably not, because you as a homeowner sometimes is not gonna know if they're doing the right job or if they're doing good or bad. You're not gonna really know unless you have a lot of experience in that industry. But if you are able to know, then yes, that is the best and cheapest way to renovate kitchen on your own for a best outcome. As a homeowner, I probably would not recommend hiring like a handyman to renovate the whole thing. As a price-wise, it might be cheaper. It's very, very hard for one person, as a handyman, to be specialized in all the fields. If you're hiring handyman for like a small job for a little patch and repair, painting, okay. But for full kitchen renovations, where there's gonna be a lot of like relocating things, such as plumbing and electrical work, it's not impossible, but it's very rare for one person to be good at plumbing, electrical work, mechanical, drywall, painting, tile, cabinetry. It's very, very hard. So if you can find somebody that can specialize in all that, give us a call. We want to hire them too.